Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to set scheduled power off in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. Suppose if you would like to power off your tablet at a particular time, yes, you can set it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your tablet here, then go to system here, then here select scheduled power on off. First option here is power off. Just to turn on this button so that you can set your own time for powering off automatically. Okay, now click on power off time and set the timing. As of now time is in 2:48 p.m. so I just set to 2:49 p.m. okay. 2:49 p.m. I set. Phone will shut down after 14 seconds. Okay. So see here, after 14 seconds, it will shut down. Here itself you can cancel shutdown. Okay. Otherwise, automatically at this time, yes, it is power off. Okay. So in this way you can easily set a power off time. Okay, suppose if you are using your tablet as of now, and if you would like to power off your tablet after 1 hour or 2 hours, just to set that time. Okay, then particular after reaching that time, automatically it will notify you. Okay, if you see the notification, if you at the time if you think that you don't want to power off, just you can cancel it. Otherwise, automatically it will be restarted. Okay, that is powered off. Okay, not restarted, powered off completely. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.